Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. Yesterday I made a video talking about the retest that was happening here for Bonk. Now, number one, you haven't really closed below 2455, but I start to still see that even though you're making some manipulation of patterns where you're showing a fakeness of retest, it does seem like we probably in the next 2 days could start to push back up again, right? Maybe because I'm gonna be very honest with you here. So you're coming up from 4400, you're trading down at 2455. That's a huge discount, number one. Number two is that people are getting really bearish right now, opening up short position as well, because they think that game is over, the game for the bulls are over. But it does look like there's still plenty of things that are about to happen, because if you notice on the 4-hour time frame, slowly but surely, as lower as you're moving, you're still making a bullish divergence. Okay, so this still shows it's clear buying pressure, it's not selling pressure. So that is good. This is really good. Even though you are this is how probably you may even spot a fake out. I think this is, I'm just gonna probably even try to mention as how to spot a fake out, because when you make a bullish divergence like that, it actually shows you have the probability of making a fake out. Okay, it's like a nested fake out where you have this fail of a retest. Can you see this being a little bit of a fake out? But also you're making this another fake out that, hey, I'm actually not really healthy enough to go up. But on the RSI, you're looking at some hidden signs over there that it shows, hey, probably we might start to pump back up. So this is something that I just learned by time. It comes with experience. And the next thing is that on the weekly also, it does look like our retest was actually successful. So if you look at this weekly pattern, notice how you really had a spinning top as your retest, and you really close like this. So that actually shows on the weekly the retest looks successful. On the daily or the 4-hour time frame, it looks not really successful, but on the weekly it does show that this is a clear candle closing above this. You had your closing below the line and you had your closing above the line. So resistance, break, right? Break here, successful retest. So in 2 days, who knows, you might actually see a little bit of a push back up. And if you do make it back to even 2799, you're actually going to make another doji, and that actually signifies that next week you're going to push to the upside again. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, Office.